Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Google account and turning on two-step verification for security. Once done, open YouTube Studio and create or select a channel or brand account. This unlocks dashboard features. Next, enable channel features like customization, uploads, and live streaming so you can access analytics and settings. Make sure to add a channel name and basic branding now, because those initial choices determine how widgets and permissions appear in the dashboard. Once basic setup is ready, design the dashboard layout. Add a featured video, arrange playlists, and create sections that guide viewers. Upload channel art and a logo, and fill the About section with contact details and links so subscribers can find you. Then configure upload defaults, title templates, tags, and privacy settings, and assign permissions for collaborators. These middle steps determine discoverability and workflow efficiency, so take time to organize playlists and templates logically. To finish, enable analytics and set up custom alerts so you track performance and viewer trends. Schedule a test upload to confirm notifications. If eligible, activate monetization, memberships, or a linked brand account and configure ad and payment settings. Finally, back up your channel settings and review collaborator permissions to prevent accidental changes. Troubleshooting tip: if dashboard widgets fail or settings won't save, clear browser cache. Try incognito and reauthorize the Google account. Most UI issues stem from cached sessions or permission errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.